Hi, sometimes you create a formula next to a pivot table. Unfortunately, when you change the size of the pivot table, for example by filtering, the formula doesn't adapt. We are going to try and make the formula adapt using three things. First, we're going to use the new formulas in Excel 365, then we are going to use match, then we are going to use indirect. Well, with these three tools, I think we can work something out. Of course, if I want to use this number, I need to type equal and click on it. And of course, the old-fashioned way was to erase here Paris and say that below you want to take this cell, and now you're going to stretch the formula. I'm not going to do exactly that. I'm going to do the new way of using the get pivot data formula, that's with array values. Instead of typing on Paris, I'm going to select many values. Look, now I get a formula that spills down underneath until the last place, and you can see when I click on the first cell, I've got black here because I can edit it. I can't underneath. That's the new behavior of some of the formula from Excel. It's going to be very useful. Now, but of course, if my pivot table changes size, I need to know where to stop, not always on the line 14th. I need to know when is the last value. Of course, we can catch that with match. That's exactly what match does. Look, I'm going to look for grand total. And where am I going to look for it? Well, in this column. Now, be careful, don't forget, you need to be careful, it must be exact match. Now, I know it's on the 15th, of course, so the last cell that I want will be on, well, this formula, -1. Unfortunately, I can't tell Excel just to go and fetch the last value of my pivot table in this cell. I need to use a formula that replaces that into a text reference. Of course, that's what indirect does. So I'm going to add the double quotes here, close it there. I'm going to add an and to do a concatenation, put together, and I'm going to tell Excel, go and create a formula with that. Don't forget to close the indirect parenthesis. And now let's check it. It goes up and down as I filter my pivot table.